What is the quickest way to travel from Hong Kong to Paris?
By plane.
What special document do most people travelling between one country and another need to carry?
A passport.
What kind of equipment is used to protect motorbike riders' brains from injury?
A helmet.
What is the last thing to do when baking a cake?
Cook it in the oven.
Would you go to a pharmacy or a surgery to get a prescription filled after visiting a doctor?
A pharmacy. There are two main ways to pay for goods bought in a shop. One is by cash, the other is by...
Credit card.
How many days are in a leap year?
366.
To improve their health and fitness, most people either try to improve their diet or...
Do more physical exercise.
Would it be better to use kilometers or kilograms to measure the distance between two cities?
Kilometers. The large island just off the coast of mainland Europe is home to which country?
The United Kingdom.
Would it be better to go jogging at noon or in the early morning if you wanted to avoid the hottest part of the day?
In the early morning. In which century did the automobile become manufactured on a mass scale?
The 20th century.
Name a country located in North America.
The United States.
Some calendars begin the week on Sunday. What is the other day which commonly starts a week?
Monday.
Where would you go to see exhibits of dinosaurs?
A museum.
Which country is in the southern hemisphere? Australia or Canada?
Australia.
In which season would people be least likely to go snow skiing?
In summer.
Which of these was last to be explored? The Himalayas, the Moon, or Australia?
The moon.
Would letter or email be the fastest way to get a message to your professor?
Email.
Jane and Peter have 3 children. They are 4, 13, and 15 years old. They only have one son who is their youngest child. How old is their middle child?
13 years old.
Which would be better to report the population of a major global city? Hundreds, millions, or billions?
Millions.
This work is due for submission 1 month from the 15th of June. On what date should it be submitted?
The 15th of July.
Who would you consult to treat a fear of crowded places? A philosopher or a psychologist?
A psychologist.
How would most people travel to work each day in big cities like Hong Kong, Tokyo, and New York?
By public transportation.
Would a supermarket, a cafe or a bookstore probably have the widest range of products available?
A supermarket.
In which room of their home would someone usually wash their clothes?
In the bathroom.
Despite all the advances in equality between the sexes, would more men or women play professional football?
More men.
Which major branch of science deals with classification of living things?
Biology.
In most university courses, there are two ways of being assessed. One is orally, the other is through
Written assignments.
Name a month that falls between September and November.
October.
Would a town, a village, or a city probably cover the largest area?
A city.
Which of these would probably be found in most homes around the world? A computer, a bed, or a television?
A bed.
what does the main difference between a wristwatch and a clock relate to?
Their relative sizes.